water if you need, and soil.
Materials are plastic, big or pot and spit.
Steps are dry a handful seeding under the sunlight.
Secondly, put the seeding on the soil. It should be in open area.
Next, wet it. There will come out the sprout. After that, let it be bigger.
Finally, put in another big pot.
It will soon grow bigger and yield us some fresh chili soon. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Then don't forget to
Subscribe,
like,
comment,
and share.
Assalamualaikum